Today I'm going to show you how to tie the dance practice sari. Now let's start by making the pallu ready. Start by pleating the end of the sari to form the pallu and put a clip or a pin to make sure it doesn't move out of place. Take a thread or a nada and tie it tightly around your waist. Now take the other side of the sari. Make sure that when you tuck the sari inside the thread, it is at the border of the sari is at your knee level so that it is at the right height while you're dancing. Make sure that the sari is wrapped all around once and then take the pallu part and wrap it around again and make sure it goes over your left shoulder. Make sure that the length of the pallu is all the way down till the floor so that it is easier to tie it around one's hips. Make sure you tuck in before you start putting the pleats. Make sure you make small pleats so that you have more in number. Once you put all the pleats, spread them neatly so that it should not be like a normal sari. Spread them neatly and then tuck it in. Now for the pallu part. Remove the clip and then start putting pleats. Make sure that you put small and neat pleats. Now neatly adjust the pallu so that the pleats are seen nicely and make sure that you take the remaining of the pallu and wrap it tightly around your waist and tie it towards the right side.